So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the gallery. And I need paint therapy. I've been not painting for a few days because I've been moving into a 30-foot by 10-foot storage unit. This is my little swipe tool, which is just a little piece of acetate on either end with some clear duct tape. And I've decided, since I can't put it away, I'm going to cut it in half. And now I have easier to store and easier to use little tools, which is pretty cool. I'm going to put some black enamel. I'm going to shake some paint and put some black enamel into a small dish because I intend on using it to dip things into, like probably my spatulas, but we'll see. I'm also going to give myself another little swipe card. These are just acetate cards I've already used, and I might refine the tip on that. Actually, there's a bend in there, so that's probably not a bad idea at all. I like to put a little curve instead of a point. Don't ask me why, it's just the way it is. I get myself a new little desk thing at the local resale shop, charity shop, and it'll hold anything large, including my catcher pan underneath. So if you ever see one of those, even if it's $5, you might want it if you're like me. So I'm going to take my 24 karat gold from Decor Americana and give myself a shovelful. And I'm going to move my OXO omelet turning spatula, which is a flip and fold, available on the Amazon link, which is underneath the video. The first blue link is a link tree and it has all the other links on it. So I'm expecting to use that. We shall see. This is my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst Mini Blade Catalyst spatula, so we'll see about that too. I'm just going to put this down right here. I think I'm going to wait to add the gold until I add some other colors. This is the 24 karat gold from Decor Americana, also with some orange color shift, but I think any orange, I used to put different oranges in there, so I wanted something a little different than I did recently. And I'm just going to squeeze the colors that I like together. Whoops. Helps if you remember to shake them. That is the Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. And I'm going to put some Prussian blue at the top this time. And I think I'm even going to go so far as to spread it around, so I don't have to come back to that and think about it. I'm pretty sure everything else is going to swipe up through. And it really shouldn't make much difference if paint gets spread around, because it's all going to get mixed up soon enough. But I am going to take that spatula and wipe off around my edge, because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link is Volume 1. The second one is called Unlimited Possibilities. I know you guys are probably tired of hearing about it. Sorry. Trying to pay for my art supplies, full-time job. So the other thing I thought was that I wanted some orange in that other thing, in that other piece, and I should have given it a title. I think it was something Flames, but it was mostly blue and gold, and I really liked that. I think by adding the gold over the top, then I will be able to put it where I want it, and that's part of my plan. And what I really like is the Purple Flash from Folk Art, which is a color shift. And I wanted quite a bit of that this time, so I figured if I just laid my colors out like I want them, I might get what I want. I'm going to put a little bit of turquoise. This is a turquoise that is not, it's been changed because I put golden iridescent pearl fine in it. 4 ounces is like $20, so if you can wait for a coupon, you'll be better off. I'm going to use some of my dark purple in the bottom because I can, just a little bit. I'm going to use some of my color shifting, I wish I'd remember, color shifting turquoise. And I'm just going to keep looking and seeing what I like and put it where I want it. This is a color shifting blue. I think I added some darker blue unicorn spit, which is just a wood stain, to make it a deeper color. but it's also a folk art. And color shifting means that one minute it's this color blue and the next minute it's purple. And here goes the gold. And if that's not enough, and then I'm going to finish with my enamel. I might put some more gold in there. I might just scrape that right out because I don't feel like wasting any of it. Love these little mini blades. I really, really do. I use them all the time. I recommend them. And that's a fairly random looking pattern, which is okay with me. And I can definitely squeeze some more gold there if I want it to be there. I was thinking I was only going to put it down in patches, but so this is the here goes nothing moment. Huh? Am I ready? I don't know. Let's go from your way to my way. No? Yeah, I'll go from my way to your way. Here's the black enamel. And this time I'm going to make a mess. And I'm just going to push it right down over the bottom and tap it into place with my finger. And I'm going to use whatever colors look beautiful, because there are beautiful colors, to drag up through the top. And I'm going to try and remember to get some more of that enamel, because the enamel worked beautifully. I'm just trying. I should have put it up on some cottage cheese lids. As a matter of fact, you know what? I've got some. Okay, I've got one. That's not really going to be helpful. Another one. Where are you, other one? I know where you are. Hang on. I lied. I thought I knew. I was wrong. Let's just keep putting the enamel on. Look at how pretty those are. Those colors are right there on that spatula. So I'll make a mess. So let's just grab another little bit of enamel. Go up once and down once. And I could even, because I pre-primed the canvas black, I could even leave the background little bits of color that are solid, and that would be kind of neat. And the marks are pretty cool too. But I did have another dish. There we go. So usually what I'll do is scrape my colors off. And I'm going to do that again. So I think this is going to be really quick. Up and down. Once up, once down. And then when I'm done, I've wanted to just do a straight spatula swipe for a while. And as long as I can see pretty colors, I'm pretty good to go. So I'm going to tell you guys, if you share my videos, you help me out, and I really appreciate it. Another little batch of black enamel right here. One up, one down. Just take the colors and tap it instead of rubbed, because rubbing will probably mix them more than I want them to be. Also, nobody said you can't just drag your spatula up, especially if you have a pre-primed black or pre-primed background. I like the Prussian blue in there. I really do. Look at how pretty those colors are right in the dish even. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to keep on going just the way I have been. I'm going to flip my spatula over. I like dragging up and down because it mixes the colors so nicely. I almost used the wrong dish. And the only mess I'm really making is on the tile right now. Alright, so I need a little bit more. And what am I trying to... I'm trying to remember to tell you guys what I'm supposed to tell you, which is... I told you about the link tree. I want to say thank you guys for all the contributions that have helped keep me painting all this time. Really appreciate that. Everybody who's ever contributed has been entered in the monthly drawing. The monthly drawing, you can find the examples of what the prizes are on the end screens of any video, because I bulk edit them, so they're on all of them. And the drawing is once a month. It has been in the third week of the month. Now I just changed it to the end of the month, pretty close to the beginning of the month also. I like that, but I want to change up what I've got. Those colors are fantastic. And I have a nice edge coverage every time I scrape my spatula off. And even though I say I like those negative spaces, I know me, and I'm going to have to pull something down through. And that turquoise, these are fantastic colors. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Really appreciate your thumbs up. I appreciate you share my videos too. Thank you so much. And I love you dearly. I'm getting very close to 90,000 subscribers. Welcome to everybody who's new. Glad you're here. Hope you come again. I have just started the 1500th video playlist. What do I want to do here? I don't even care about using that little acetate card anymore. I don't want to go overboard. I like what I've got. I see that I want something that I don't have here. So I'm just going to take a chance. I'm going to scrape that off first. Use a little bit of that black enamel. I like the idea of making some dimensions by crossing over the areas. Alright, I am just about done. Shouldn't have done that upside down. But I wanted to show you guys. And I'll say again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the gallery. And I love you. I'm going to check my edges with my spatula first in my hand with some paint on it right now. I don't think I need to do anything to the top. But whatever, I have just enough paint in my little dish. Right there. I've been thinking about this all day, and I'm so glad you guys joined me. Yeah, no, don't get the spinnies. My fault. And put a little bit of gold right there. Because I can. Ha! Because I like the idea of it. Just a few little wispies. I could put some green in there, but I think I'll save it for another painting. I meant to put green gold in and I completely forgot, and that's okay. But no matter whether I'm swiping or not, as long as I've got a squeeze bottle, I can still add another color. And some more lines. And now it's time to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to have to cover up my little dishes. I'm going to scrape off the rest of the paint on my mini blade with my finger. And these little dishes from Michaels are really cool in that you can use another one to cover it. Same with the black enamel. So I can come back and do another painting. This is floating my boat. I gotta say what? Say what? I want to do something else. I want to just grab the odd skewer. I love the cells I got from adding the enamel. And I'm looking at my composition and I want my shapes or my lines to be pleasing to my eye. So, I love you guys. I hope you come again. I told you about the videos. You can find 15 playlists and many genres. All the playlists are configured by topic. What else should I tell you? My paint pouring recipe is under the video. Under the link tree, you're going to find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. Pinterest is where I post my stuff most currently. I like the little black gaps that show the background, the dry canvas, because it'll all look like that tomorrow. But I'll have a lot of shimmer from those color shifts from folk art. If you want to find my masks or any of my other merchandise, the Facebook group page is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More, and you can find it via the Shop Now button on Facebook, or you can look for it under the link tree. Either way, you'll find it if you're looking for it. Teespring Clothing is under the video. Yeah, you shouldn't stick anything back in, but ooh, cool. I just found something that doesn't belong. Shouldn't stick anything in after you torch, but it doesn't seem to keep me from doing it. Anyway, so do as I say, don't do as I do. I love you guys, and I will see you anon. Thank you again for liking. I love you guys' comments. You keep my morale boosted. I really appreciate those thumbs up. Thank you so much. What else do I have to say? Don't forget the Amazon link. It's at no added cost to you and helps me out. I think that's pretty much everything that I can think of. I'm sure I forgot something, but I don't care. All right, let's see if I can do a close-up, because there are some really awesome... Oh, this thing is just not... Check that out. Woo! Maybe I can spin that around. These colors are fabulous. I'm putting some red in next time, but I don't think I need it this time. It goes either way. Wow. 1001, 1002, 1003. I will see you guys soon. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla. Out.